Some days, all you need is the aroma of melted chocolate and warm butter. Today we'll make the classic chocolate chip cookies in the new Philips OneChef. We'll use the special non-stick cooking pot for this. Press the power button, select Airfry Mode, followed by Cake Preset. Preheat this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And press Start. Combine refined flour and baking soda and mix well. In another bowl, to prepare the wet mixture, combine melted butter, castor sugar and brown sugar in a bowl and mix until the sugar dissolves. Now add the egg and vanilla essence. Whisk until smooth and set aside. To this, add the prepared wet mixture along with the chocolate chips. Mix with a gentle hand to form a soft cookie dough. Shape into lemon-sized balls. Press the power button, select Airfry Mode, followed by Cake Preset, and press Start, and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Ensuring enough space between each cookie. Once done, remove and allow to cool briefly before serving. लेकिन हाँ, असली मजा है in serving it warm with a glass of milk. Comfort baking made easy with Philips OneChef. It's all you need.